That's what I want to see more of. Our guys pushing the pace, attacking.
Grady puts it on the deck, attacking, kicks the body from Banchero. Shot doesn't go. Brown with a rebound. Grady with the throwdown.
He's playing a great ball game. Grady did. Hello!
Yeah, they are too early. Dosunmu gets in there. Up ahead for Julian Phillips.
Oh, Julian Phillips! Show him what it is, boy! Show him how to do it!
Oh, good steal. Cookies. And watch Io get the ball ahead, and Julian Phillips right there. Baptize him. Oh, Mr. Walker, what were you doing? Side slammer jammer. Our freshmen are good.
Craig, Coach Adoba's gone out and really challenged the mental toughness of the team, and they've responded. They've got used to the expectations that he has.
Jalen Green!
Goodness!
Oh!